Penguins are amazing birds perfectly adapted to life in the cold waters of the southern hemisphere. These flightless birds are renowned for their distinctive tuxedo-like black and white plumage. They're excellent swimmers, using their flipper-like wings to glide through the ocean with grace. Penguins primarily feed on fish and krill, and some species can dive to incredible depths in search of food. One of the most famous penguin species is the emperor penguin, known for its incredible parenting, with males incubating eggs in the harsh Antarctic winter. Penguins are social creatures, often forming large colonies. While they may look clumsy on land, they're agile and fast swimmers, making them a unique and beloved part of the animal kingdom.